Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2007 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, if you have a problem where the AC blows cold air on the driver's side vent, hot air on the passenger side, stay with us, we'll explain the most common reason for that. Do not waste your money for diagnosing your AC system. Your AC works okay if one of the vents blows cold air. We'll explain what else it is. That doesn't cost much money, but often it can go bad. Even at, we've seen some that go bad at 8,000 miles. We'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, practically they're built on the same platform. We'll be making a video about every single fuse relay in that SUV. Why? Because let's say you're down the road, you need to find where the fuse for fuel injectors, fuel pump, ignition coils is located. That way you can fix your SUV and be back on the road. We will have that information. You'll just spend a minute or two watching the video, fix it, and it will take care of that problem. Now, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to do engines, transmissions, mechanical, body work, and we have more than 12,000 free repairs on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. In addition, guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation right here, okay, we'll demonstrate on Chevy Tahoe, but Suburban, you know, practically it's the same vehicle, guys, it's just longer. We'll demonstrate what can easily cause that now and how you can fix the problem. Let's imagine you get cold air on the driver's side, hot on the passenger now. First, we'll always recommend to check your climate control fuses. Now, you have multiple fuse boxes. If you want to see where climate control fuses are located, guys, we'll have a special video about that on our channel. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So now, why it's super important, guys, to test fuses and relays? Because often you may think you have a good fuse, right? But it could be, guys, a bad fuse. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, it's hard to see. You have different kinds of fuses, and each one of those, guys, let's say you think it's a good fuse, but it's actually bad. You may end up spending time, money on parts and repairs that you don't need. So always test fuses. It takes only a few seconds. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and how to test relays as well. Relays are easy to test. That way you can eliminate that possibility for something that's not necessary, guys. So check out the links, will be in the description of the video below. So now you checked your climate control fuses, but most of the times, guys, I would say probably 9 out of 10 times it's that device right here. This device, guys, it's known as blend door actuator. You're going to have 2 of those in the dash, one for the driver, one for the passenger side, that will adjust the temperature if you have a dual climate control. And what it does, it attaches to a flap behind the dash that turns from hot to cold. Now inside it has just a motor with plastic gears. Usually the gear here will wear out or one of these will crack, and as a result, okay, the blend door actuator will not work and it may be stuck in hot position. Even though it tries to turn, if the motor is skipping or not registering that it's the right position, okay, what will happen at that point, your AC will work perfectly fine, but your vent will be stuck in hot position, heater position. As a result, on the passenger side you will get hot air because of a bad blend door actuator. We've seen some that failed as early as 8,000 miles. Some will last over 500,000 miles. I don't know why, what causes that. But usually the early signs of failing blend door actuators, if you want to know the symptoms of bad blend door actuator, we have videos on our channels, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.